With increasing the spread of COVID-19, many people started purchasing different face masks. However, most people don't know whether those masks will be effective or not. So in this video, I will compare the most popular face mask types and also explain you their features and shortcomings. Please watch the video till end for the complete information. Welcome to my channel Rohit's Analysis. There are different mask types available in the market, such as surgical masks, and recently many people came across N95 masks. So not only N95, there are also N99, N100. Apart from this, there are also R95 mask, R99, P95, P99 and P100 type of masks. These are also called as respirator. When you hear these words, you can see two things. That is, there is a letter such as N, R and P, and there is also a number like 95, 99 and 100. So what is the significance of this letter and what is the meaning of this number? So we will be discussing that in this video. Before discussing them, I will be explaining you a small concept. Many of you might have heard about the term pollutants. There are different types of pollutants, such as non-oil based pollutants and also oil based pollutants. The one common thing in these pollutants is nothing but they are a small particles, which we will also be calling them as a particulate matter. So these particles will be of different sizes. For suppose if you take the hair follicle, the size of a hair follicle will be around 60 micrometers. Similarly, there are different ways in which there are different minute particles will be present in the atmosphere. For example, whenever you are demolishing a building, you can see some kind of dust particles will be emanating from that one. Or else whenever you are unloading cement bags from a truck, you can see some kind of dust will be coming out from that one. Whenever you are burning some trees, or else different ways, the different dust particles will be coming into the atmosphere. So there are different sizes. We will be calling them as a particulate matter. So these particulate matters are classified into two, that is PM 2.5 and PM 10. Particulate matter 2.5 and particulate matter 10. Particulate matter 10 means the size of those particles which is less than 10 micrometers. And the particulate matter 2.5, PM 2.5 means the size of those particles which are less than 2.5 micrometers in size. So that if the dust particles are large enough, they will not enter into our body very easily. But if the size of a particles are very less, they can easily enter through the nose and they will enter into the lungs and they will cause different kinds of respiratory disorders. So these are different kinds of particulate matters. So which are part of a pollutants. So the pollutants will be non-oil based pollutants, likewise which I've discussed you earlier, firings and also kacha roads, buildings, everything we will be calling them as a non-oil based pollutants. There are also some oil based pollutants, such as pollutants released by oil and natural gas. These are very much gaseous in nature and they are also volatile organic compounds, includes such as benzene, formaldehyde and also other toxic substances. For suppose you have seen today's Vizag incident where styrene gas have been released. It's a kind of a oil based pollutant. For suppose if you take Bhopal gas tragedy, it is also some kind of a oil based pollutant. So which are gaseous in nature. So ultimately pollutants are of two types, oil based pollutants and also non-oil based pollutants. Oil based pollutants are mostly gaseous in nature and it is very hard to prevent them from entering into our body. So this is a small concept. Now let us see what is a surgical mask. A surgical mask is usually used by health professionals and also doctors in hospitals. These masks are exclusively made for medical professionals. They are there to provide a barrier between our mouth and nose and the environment. Now if we see another type of air masks, which is also called as respirator. Respirators are of three types mainly, as I discussed earlier, N, R and P. For example, N95 respirator, N99 respirator, similarly R95, R99 or else P95, P99, P100 etc. So usually we will be calling them as N95 masks but we have to call them as a respirators in general. So some people will also call them also as a masks. But what is the meaning of N? So N denotes not resistant for. N denotes not resistant for means it is unable to resist oil based particles, but it can resist non-oil based particles. I've already explained you what is oil based and non-oil based. Oil based particulate matters or oil based particles are those which are gaseous in nature. For example, we can see Bhopal gas incident where the gas was leaked. Even in Vizag where styrene gas has been released. So these are gaseous in nature. If we use N95 mask, this N95 mask will not help you in preventing that gas entering into our body because N95 masks are not resistant for the oil-based pollutants. So that is the meaning of N. And if you see the R, so R means resistant to the oil-based pollutants, but not completely. So when compared to N, R will resist oil-based pollutants, but not completely. And also R can even resist non-oil-based pollutants. So that means R can resist oil-based pollutants and it can also resist non-oil-based pollutants. So it is having a good advantage over N. And if you take the P, so P is more efficient than R. So you can also tell that P is a combination of N and R. So that is P will resist completely oil-based pollutants and it will also completely resist non-oil based pollutants. So it can resist from the gaseous and it can also resist liquid and also solid based pollutants. So that is the P. So P is more effective than N and R. So whenever you see the word 95, so that means it can filter with at least efficiency of 95%. Means all the pollutants will be filtered with an almost 95%. If you see 99, so it filters with an efficiency of 99%. So almost all 99% of the pollutants will be filtered by the 99 masks. Wherever you see 100, so 100 means it can filter pollutants up to 99.99%. So N95 means it is not resistant for the oil based pollutants and it can filter up to 95% of the pollutants. If you see R95, it can filter almost all non-oil based pollutants and it can resist few oil based pollutants with an efficiency of 95%. If you take P, P means proof. It is completely proof for the oil based pollutants and it can also resist non-oil based pollutants also. So that means this N, R and P, these letters were given depending on their resistance for the oil based pollutants. So N not resistant for the oil based, P complete proof for the oil based, means it can complete resist oil based pollutants, and R it can resist but less compared to the P and more compared to the N. So that is the term N, P and R, and also with respect to the numbers 99, 95 and also 100. N95 air masks are basic air pollution masks which will protect against the air pollution. It can filter 95% of almost all the air pollutants, even up to some part of 2.5 particulate matter also. One of the good thing with respect to N95 mask is that we can wash them and we can use it for multiple times. And these N95 masks are also available in several designs. And these are most commonly used for flu or influenza prevention. These are also effective to prevent the spread of flu, swine flu and avian flu transmission from person to person. And N95 masks are designed to fit over the nose, mouth of the wearer, and properly fitted, it can provide excellent protection compared to the surgical masks. The only difference between N95, N99, N100 is nothing but with respect to efficiency of the filtration. So 95 will filter up to 95, 99 will filter up to 99% of the pollutants. And if we see the R, these are somewhere between N series and P series, and they can also stop oil-based pollutants, but very less compared to the P. And if you take P, P is a proof. It will be providing proof against almost all oil-based pollutants and also non-oil-based pollutants. The only thing is that P type are very much expensive compared to the R, and R is much expensive compared to the N. This P-type series are most commonly used for working in environments exposed to oil-based particles such as petrochemicals and also pharmaceutical sectors. So these are the things which I would like to explain this through this video. Hope you have liked the video, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.